Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Voxley and I am back with another video. If it is your first time here, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also make sure you're hitting that bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. So today I am going to be showing you guys a really quick lash tutorial. I've gotten some requests about this on Instagram, so I figured I'd go ahead and make a video on this lash tutorial. So the lashes are already put in right now, as you guys can see. So if you love how it looks, just go ahead and continue watching. We're just gonna go ahead and dive right into the video. All right you guys, so let's go ahead and cut to the chase. We're just gonna go ahead and dive right into this lash tutorial. So the first thing that I do is I apply mascara. So just any mascara. This is just one that I bought off of Amazon. And the reason why you want to put on mascara first is because it actually hardens your own lash and preps it to put on the falsies. All right, I am using Mink lashes. They are from Mia Minks, so if you guys are interested in that, I'll be leaving her information down in the description box below. Don't mind my hair, I know it looks crazy, but I figured, you know, as I'm doing my hair and my makeup and everything, I go ahead and do a lash tutorial for you guys, because I know someone did ask me about this a few times on Insta. But yeah, so you want to go ahead and apply mascara first. You see that? You can actually see your lash there. It's getting hard. You want to do this to both of them, and you want to let it dry for like at least a minute or so. And while that dries, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next steps of putting on your lashes. Now, I always have to use my eyeliner, my liquid eyeliner. So I use like liquid eyeliner first, just so I can kind of see where I'm gonna put my lashes. All right, absolutely swear by this glue. It is Duo. So this is what it looks like. It's a little busted right now, but it's the Duo, and it's like their dark color. It's not really black, it's like a blue black, if that makes any sense. So this thing is pretty old. The thing that I love about the Duo is that, see, you can see like the bluish black color. You're gonna go ahead and brush it on the lash. All right, let me make sure it's zoomed in for you guys. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and brush it on like so, like that. Gotta keep going in because, like I said, this is a little old, guys. Gonna brush it on all the way. See that there? You see it on there, right? You see the bluish black color. I like to apply just a little bit more on there. There you have it. Now, some people just like blow on it once or twice and pop it on. I like to let this baby dry for a good little while. So you can go like this, or you can just blow on it. All right, I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit because I want this to be super tacky when I put it on. Reason being why is if it's still wet, it's actually you're gonna have some trouble like getting it to actually stick onto your lash. All right, so I like to do this for a little bit. Sometimes I'll do both of them. Like I'll do this one, sit it down, and do the other one, sit it down, and then yeah, let it dry for a little bit, like at least a minute or so. Guys, I have a mirror right in front of me. I typically can't do this unless I have a mirror like really up close to my face and like really good lighting. If I don't have either of those things, it's kind of difficult to put on my lashes. You can always use one of those tools if it helps you, you know, put them on a little bit easier. You can always use one of those tools. For me, I am just using my mirror, and yeah, that's about it in my hand. I'm just gonna place it on with my hand. All right, so this should be pretty tacky. It looks, yeah. So once it's like black, you no longer see like the bluish line there. You're gonna go ahead and place it on. Now you can do this while you have your eyes open. I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna just pause, take a deep breath, because I can't do this while I'm talking because I get really nervous. All right, so just pay close attention to how I do this. All right, here we go, guys. And boom, it's on. Oh, this next step that I do, I'm gonna take my tweezers and then I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna be using this end of the tweezer. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna pull like this, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze, like push on it, just to make sure it's exactly where I want it, because sometimes it's a little bit too high up. You don't always have to do this, but for the most part I always do this just to make sure it's like sitting on there properly. And then voila guys, voila, that's really it. Let me go ahead and put on the other ones for you so you can see the full shebang. So I'm gonna do it twice for you guys. Don't say I didn't try to help you. Don't say, you know. I didn't try to help you out as much as I could, guys. And if you can't find the duo, that particular one, you can always try a different one. I don't like the clear ones just because, I don't know, I don't like, some of them I feel like leaves that like that white residue, and I don't really like that in my lash. I'd rather it be black, that way you can't really see it. So that's why I swear by the dark one. And this one just works wonders for me. But I used to struggle, absolutely struggle putting on my freaking lashes, guys, until I discovered duo, and then until I started putting the mascara first. That's the trick. Put your mascara first and make sure you have the right glue. All right, so these are almost dry, guys. We're gonna pop them on so you guys see the full shebang and how it looks. All right guys, so like I said earlier, you're gonna notice that the strip that was like kind of like bluish black, once that's no longer that bluish black color, it's like mostly black, that's how you kind of know it's ready to go ahead and put that baby on. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna look, I'm gonna try not to look at my mirror. Maybe that's a bad idea, but okay, so let's go.
That's good.
I don't like how that's sitting on, so if it's still a little tacky, you can actually remove it and sit it back on really quick before it gets too dry. All right, we're gonna complete the same thing here. So I'm just gonna take my tweezer, pull it, make sure it's secured on there. Don't mind my eyebrows, guys. I feel like they're kind of capping today. I don't know. All right. And voila. That is how you apply your lashes and activate that biatch status, okay? So let me know if you guys enjoyed that. I'm gonna go ahead and do my full face, and then just so you guys can get the full effect, you know what I mean? So I just wanted to show you guys what the lashes look like up close and after I've finished my makeup and all that jazz. Let me go ahead and look down. This is what they look like. Once again, I did receive these lashes from Minks. They are mink lashes, so they will last you a very, very, very long time. Trust me, it is a really good investment to make, especially if you want your lashes to just be looking flawless all the time, right? So let me know if you guys enjoyed this lash tutorial, and if you'd like to see more videos like these, definitely leave some comments down in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.